Hello my dear friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting radical equation which we have to solve for the real values of x. So let's get started. By writing denominator cannot be 0. So x plus 4 cannot be 0. X cannot be negative 4. Now we will subtract 2 from both the sides. We will get equation x minus 2 equal to square root of x plus 10 over x plus 4. X cannot be minus 4. So we can multiply both sides by x plus 4. So we will write here times x plus 4. And in RHS we will multiply with x plus 4. Now we can cancel x plus 4 from right hand side's denominator. We will get x plus 4 times x minus 2 equal to square root of x plus 10. Now we will use some algebraic manipulation steps. X plus 4 can be written as x plus 1 plus 3 and x minus 2 can be written as x plus 1 minus 3. In right hand side we will write square root x plus 10 in terms of x plus 1 would be x plus 1 plus 9. Now we have x plus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. Let us assume x plus 1 equal to y. So our equation will become in variable y, we will write y plus 3 times y minus 3 equal to the square root of y plus 9. We will use difference of two squares formula over here. We can write y square minus 3 square. So we will write y square minus 3 square equal to the square root of y plus 9. Now we will write here y square minus 9 equal to the square root of y plus 9. Now we have a square root in RHS. So let us take whole square both sides. To remove the square root from RHS, we will cancel a square root with a square. We will get y square minus 9 whole square in left hand side, and in right hand side we will write y plus 9. Now we will subtract y square from both the sides. So we will write here minus y square. In RHS we will write minus y square. Here we have a square minus b square form. We will use a square minus b square formula, which will be a plus b times a minus b. So we will write y square minus 9 plus y square minus 9 minus y equal to, I will take minus common. So we can write y square minus y minus 9. Now we will write all the terms to LHS. We will write y square plus y minus 9 times y square minus y minus 9 plus y square minus y minus 9 equal to 0. Now y square minus y minus 9 is overall common. So we will write y square minus y minus 9 common. In other bracket we will write y square plus y minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have factors ready. Let me write here y square minus y minus 9. Then we'll write y square plus y minus 8 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will get two quadratic equations. Either y square minus y minus 9 will be 0, or y square plus y minus 8 will be 0. Now we'll use quadratic formula to get the values of y. Y will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 36. So we can write 37 over 2. And here we will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 32, which is 33 over 2. Now we will subtract 1 from both the sides. So I will write y minus 1 equal to 1 plus minus square root of 37 over 2 minus 1. Then we have minus 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2 minus 1. Now y minus 1 is x. So we'll write here x equal to 1 minus 2. So minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2. And here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. Now we will find approximate values of x. So I will write here. First value is minus 1 plus square root 37 over 2. It is approximately 2.51. Minus 1 minus square root 37 over 2. Approximately minus 3.51. Minus 3 plus square root 33 over 2. 1.4 approximately. And minus 3 minus square root 33 over 2. Approximately minus 4.4. So we have 4 values. Now we will talk about domain of the equation. So I will take this 2 to the LHS and cross multiply. We will get x minus 2 times x plus 4 equal to square root of x plus 10. Now we will write domain over here. We have square root in RHS. Our radicand must be non-negative. So we can write one condition from RHS, x should be greater than or equal to minus 10. Now LHS should also be non-negative. Square root cannot be negative. So we will get two conditions from here. Either x should be less than or equal to minus 4, or x should be greater than or equal to 2. So we have one condition from LHS, one condition from RHS. We'll take intersection of these two, minus 4. So we'll write here x should be in the interval minus 10 to minus 4. And if we will take intersection of these two conditions, we will write x should be greater than or equal to. Now we have to check out of 4 solutions. Let me write here x equal to, let me write all the values, minus 1 plus minus square root 37 over 2. And we have minus 3 plus minus square root 33 over 2. Its approximate values are 2.51 minus 3.51, 1.4 minus 4.4. Now we have our domain ready. We have to cross-examine which solutions we are going to reject. So minus 3.51 would be rejected. 1.4 would be rejected. 2.51 is in this interval, and minus 4.4 is in this interval. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation minus 1 plus square root 37 over 2, and we'll write minus 3 minus square root 33 over 2. Two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.